9 out of 10 individuals who go to nightclubs have struggled at least once problems during the payment for the intakes. Unfair bill splitting, losing control of expenses due to alcohol effects, overcharge on bills, or even, according to the clients, non-existent orders are some of the most regular issues when someone is trying to have a fun night. The previously stated leads to problems for both clients and clubs. The last ones could be affected directly on their economy, prestige, attraction, and lastly, reputation, because of great dilemmas between clients and waiters. In order to solve the problems mentioned before, diverse cell phone apps and platforms as Pizarro in Holland and Toast in the US have been developed with order and payment functions. Then, why is CheckPoint unique?
Well, CheckPoint is intended to help bars and nightclubs specifically to the following operation: ordering and real-time checking the consumption, bill splitting among the desired amount of people, flexible payment methods, fixed tip, and the ability to set the expense limit.
Knowing already what was intended to solve, the team started the market research. The first hypothesis was, most of young people who attend nightclubs have faced the following problems: bill splitting, over expenses, losing track of the account, and consumption and an excessive tip charge. To validate this, 33 B2C interviews were effectuated in which individuals from different social circles were asked to mention the problems that they face every time they go out to nightclubs and bars. All of the interviewees exposed at least one of the problems that we stated in the hypothesis. However, something really important during this test was that even people that have never or almost never assisted a nightclub mentioned the same problems as well. This was because they assured that they have heard this kind of experiences from their friends. As a second experiment, the team asked people if they would download the CheckPoint app, and all of them would. Lastly, the individuals were asked for recommendations and suggestions. In here, the team found some actually interesting ideas that could be added. The people who frequently go to the nightclubs said that they would like to receive promotions and notifications from establishments along the week.
The second hypothesis was that our clients, bars and nightclubs, would show interest on the app. 4 B2B interviews were performed in clubs focusing on themes as publicity, pros and cons of CheckPoint, and we also asked for suggestions based upon their needs. 3 managers showed pretty interested with the publicity ambit. They said that this kind of publicity would be very helpful to keep their clients interested and to attract more clients as well. But what actually kept them hooked on the project was that this is a possible solution for people living without paying bills. The managers argued that it would help not only them, but also their clients and employees. 2 of the managers were so interested that they even offer resources and information, such as menus and prices, so that we could start testing the app in their places. Likewise, the interviewees gave us some specifications that we have to accomplish in order to make the app viable for them. For example, the money will have to be directly provided to their accounts, and also, since waiters need a ticket to place the order to bartenders, a ticket system would be required. These interviews also helped the team to state in a clear way the archetypes. As an example, one manager said that the app would not be effective in their place because people who usually attend to it are from low to medium social class and they tend to pay by cash, not by card. Also, these people is older and according to the manager, they do not feel comfortable using different paying methods or using this type of apps. Nevertheless, the manager showed interest in the publicity option. This made us realize that an only publicity membership option for the clubs could be created. In conclusion, This last interview was helpful in order to realize in which kind of places the app would work and also another market opportunities.
Another hypothesis was that apps like ours are not unpopular and currently functional. We test 4 individuals from Mexico City. They all live in different zones, 3 from Monterrey and 2 from Hermosillo, who regularly go to clubs and were asked about this kind of app. They all state that they have never attended to a club that uses this sort of technology, but that it will be very useful. With this, the team not only validated the hypothesis, but also found out that CheckPoint could be a national project. To sum up, the response from both archetypes was pretty positive and motivational for us to continue with the project. Furthermore, this allowed the team to clear the air and realize that the app development is useful for everyone. The next value proposition was created based on the experiment and validated hypothesis. Enjoy without being worried about your wallet. CheckPoint is an app in charge of securing that the fun does not end when bills come due at nightclub and bars. All from cell phone, order, limit, and pay with just one click.
We have 2 archetypes, users and clients. The clients are nightclubs and bars that are going to pay for the administration system CheckPoint. The users will be from upper middle to upper class young adult people that are enrolled at university, that usually go to a nightclub or bar for a couple of drinks. CheckPoint will have a rating system to let users qualify the services of the waiter, the environment of the place, and other things that the user may find useful. Public relations will keep our relationship with our clients, and also technical support will help them with every doubt or everything regardless to the system. The channels will be direct contact with clients and iOS and Android app for users. The revenue streams is membership payment method. Our key activities are the creation and development of the app and contact and association with clients. Our key partners are investors, programmers, and the payment processors. The key resources are financial and intellectual. The cost structure are keeping updated the app on Apple Store and Play Store, the patent registration, and the registry in Hacienda, the cost for taxes.